Did you know that almost 80% of the thoughts we have in a day are negative, and 95% of our thoughts are repetitive? It's no wonder that the amount of children dealing with depression and anxiety is growing each year. Daily affirmations for kids helps to promote wellness, boost self-esteem, encourage an inner calm, promote self-growth, and prevent negative thinking. So let's be real. Growing up is hard, and no kid's affirmation can change that fact. A recent study showed that girls begin to lose their self-confidence at the age of only 8 years old. What do you do with a third grader who's anxious about school, worried about her friends, or making herself sick over things she can't control? Growing up is hard, and helping your kid to grow up might be almost as hard. Something as simple as morning affirmations for kids, however, can go a long way in boosting your child's confidence, helping them feel more prepared for their day, and remaining slightly less stressed about all the drama that comes with being a kid. And if all else fails, it can be a great bonding experience. What are affirmations? Affirmations are positive, affirming sentences or phrases you repeat to yourself to help you stay focused on something. They can also be used as a way to manifest confidence or positive feelings. If your child is stressed about friendship drama, an affirmation that reminds them that their friends or family still love them might help. If they're worried about a test, using an affirmation to remind them that they studied and are prepared might help them remain calm before the test. How do affirmations work? The brain sometimes gets a little mixed up on the difference between reality and imagination, which can be surprisingly useful. Helping your child create a mental image of themselves doing something, like acing a nerve-wracking test or conquering their fear of public speaking by entering the talent competition, activates many of the same brain areas that actually experiencing these situations would. Having your child do regular repetition of affirming statements about themselves can encourage their brain to take these positive affirmations as fact. When you truly believe you can do something, your actions often follow. These daily affirmations for children will help encourage self-love in both you and your kids. Practice rehearsing one of these positive affirmations each morning with your children and watch their confidence grow. Write them out and put them on your fridge or mirror, and have your kids recite them out loud. These daily affirmations for kids will help your children discover their worth. Remember, action is key. I am enough. What I say is enough. What I do is enough. What I have is enough. Who I am is enough. I am worthy. I know my worth. I am excited to show the world exactly who I am. I own my strengths. I own my weaknesses. I come as I am. Repeating an affirmation can help your child boost their motivation and confidence. Try thinking of affirmations as a step toward change, not the change itself. Tell us what your kid's favorite affirmation is in the comments section below. And thanks for watching Tiny Tribe Parents. If you enjoyed this video, please click the like button, comment and subscribe to our channel for more incredible content that is on the way.